Hello and welcome to this Locators video on the Manitou MT625 DPF Regeneration. The Manitou MT625 Stage 5 engine is fitted with a DPF. The DPF is there to clean the soot and the particles before it goes through the exhaust system, and therefore maintaining a cleaner exhaust profile and complying with current legislation. Periodically, the DPF is required to do a regeneration to clean itself. Here you can see the DPF. There's nothing here that the operator needs to do. It's just purely situated in between the engine and the exhaust system. It's all done through the management system and some lights and a button in the cab. As the machine is working, the engine increases in temperature. When it reaches the required temperature, the DPF regeneration is done in the background and the operator doesn't really notice. This is called a passive regen. If for some reason this is interrupted, either by him deferring it using the button on the dash in an environment where he doesn't want it to regenerate, or if he turns the engine off because his work is complete, then that's classed as a failed regen. This can be done a number of times before the machine will start to clog up and a static regen is required. If that happens, a light comes on the dash, or two lights come on the dash, the engine light and the DPF light, and a horn sounds. At this point the operator has to park up, put the boom down with the engine running, press the DPF button, it carries out its static regen. This is nothing to be worried about. It's a very simple procedure. From there, the DPF will be cleaned and the machine can carry on working. It normally will take anywhere between 50 and 30 minutes, depending on how full the DPF was in the first place. If you've used the machine fully and not tootled around, this won't really happen, and it can be done by an engineer on a 500-hour service. That's it. It's as simple as that, folks.